once you qualify, because it's a national assessment, you have qualified and you're respected. Does that make sense? I don't know too much about the SQE, basically because it's just been rolled out. But the main thing I think it's like going to a university that employers do not regard as one of the best, or you are a foreign lawyer, you can get judged for that. But with the SQE, just basically means that if you manage to qualify, then you did something good. You're good. Now, the problem with having different providers of the LPC is that there are variable provider pass rates. So the SRA wants to make sure that there's just the one exam that everyone sits, and then they are assessed based on that one national assessment. Makes sense? So it just is helpful for people who have different backgrounds, who feel like they have been marginalized, or that people do not respect the fact that they have qualified as solicitors, because it's not just being a solicitor, there are degrees of being a solicitor, let's just put it that way. But then I like the fact that the SQE allows for everyone to be assessed under the same umbrella, irrespective of background, what university they have gone to, Cambridge or anything. I think it is going to be very helpful. If you are on the LPC route or the SQE route, please let us know, leave a comment. It's going to be very helpful for others. You will note that I am not on any of these routes, but I make these videos to be helpful to others. But please leave a comment and let us know what your views are on the LPC or the SQE route. It's going to be very helpful for someone. For sure, there is a shortage of training contracts, and that is why the LPC needs to be overhauled. It is not working. I know people who have been photocopying documents for many years, and they are good lawyers, but they might never qualify as solicitors. They have paid all of these thousands of pounds, and they would never qualify as solicitors. They would just be people who went to law school, and they are paralegals or legal executives, truth be told. So it's possible that the SQE will take away this so-called LPC gamble, where you gamble with so much money and time, and you never know whether you will eventually qualify as solicitor. You just pray to God that somebody finds you and discovers you and gives you the chance. In a multitude of many, there's so many people waiting on these limited numbers of training contracts, and it's a problem. So the SQE might fix this, but we would never know because it's just been newly rolled out. Another thing is that our regulators, the Solicitors Regulation Authority, is believing that it would be possible to complete the first stage of the SQE, that's the SQE 1, and then complete the SQE 2 later on, and that this would be helpful for those who are self-funding because the qualification is divided into 2 stages. Some critics, however, are claiming that the overall cost of the SQE would definitely be higher than the LPC. I mean, we will need to wait and see. Anyway, it's been nice talking to you. I'm gonna go now, but I definitely want to hear what you are thinking. Subscribe, like, share. Bye for now. Bye.